Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ukanut ki sangma uloong baka Sorkar jela kalade Phah Jingthoh syaka Sorkar Pdeng tang hadian Kyntait sngi baklai kendu baka Khasi Author Society halor ka Jingdawa jongka manwanra ya ka ainro ha parliament ha bayade baka ktien Khasi ban penrung hapo ka riti sensar jongkari. Menteri Rangba ula pensyaya kini haba keli halor ka Jingkynthoh President ka Khasi Author Society Dr. DRL Nonglat baka Sorkar jela ka klem Phah Jingthoh AA syaka Sorkar Pdeng wat hadian ke Jingkynthoh bat ka KAS. Menteri Rangba uloong ba kita ki ba Kyntait ila day ban wat Jingtip na ka Sorkar am man Jingkynthoh klem nongrem namar ka Sorkar kala Phah Jingthoh hadian malaya kendu bat ka KAS. Ulai thu ba ka Sorkar jela am tang ba kelawan ra ya karai kabala menjur na kayun dorbar thawaan ke jela ban kerpat ya ka Sorkar Pdeng ban penrung ya ka ktien Khasi bat garu hapo ka kernet ka bapra jo ka niti sensyar kari handrai kala jubut dien ru bon sien habaya day bat kani kamat.
To send a letter to the government of India for the implementation of, for inclusion of these Khasis, the language schedule.
We have, as you know, already we have passed a resolution. That's number one. After the resolution was passed, on multiple occasions I have written to Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo language in our in the 8th schedule. After the Khasi Author Society had met me last time, within the first week of November, I don't remember the exact date, I have already written a letter to the Home Ministry reminding them again, and this is after the meeting with the Khasi Author Society, and based on their suggestion, I had once again written in the first week of November. So whoever is making whatever statement, they should find out and ask us first before making and jumping to conclusions. It gives a wrong picture. We have already written, as I said, to the ministry. Separate letters have been sent, and this was done in the first week of November this year itself, after the meeting with the Khasi Author Society.